Mastering research contract negotiation. Collaboration trumps control in research contract negotiations. Where do the key objectives of the research contract negotiation process, which entail fostering a collaborative relationship between us and the sponsor, lie in terms of ensuring operational excellence and mutually beneficial agreements? In the realm of research contract negotiation, operational excellence is crucial to ensure that mutually beneficial agreements are reached between the institution and the sponsor. To achieve this, the key objectives of the research contract negotiation process should focus on fostering a collaborative relationship between the two parties. This can be accomplished by implementing a structured approach that encompasses the following essential elements. Establish clear communication channels. Effective communication is the cornerstone of a successful negotiation process. It is essential to establish open and transparent communication channels with the sponsor to ensure that both parties are aligned on the project's objectives, roles, and responsibilities. This can be achieved by designating a single point of contact for the institution and the sponsor, who will serve as the primary liaison throughout the negotiation process. Define scope of work and deliverables. A clear understanding of the scope of work and deliverables is critical to ensuring that both parties are on the same page. The institution should carefully review the sponsor's request to ensure that it aligns with the project's objectives and that the proposed scope of work is feasible within the given time frame. The scope of work should be explicitly outlined in the contract, including the deliverables, timelines, and milestones. Specify roles and responsibilities. To avoid confusion and ensure accountability, the contract should clearly outline the roles and responsibilities of both parties. This includes defining the institution's obligations regarding data management, intellectual property, and confidentiality, as well as the sponsor's responsibilities in terms of funding, access to research results, and publications. Develop a comprehensive budget and payment terms. A comprehensive budget that outlines all costs associated with the project, including personnel, equipment, and travel, should be developed and agreed upon by both parties. The payment terms, including the schedule and method of payment, should also be clearly defined to avoid any misunderstandings. Ensure regulatory compliance. The contract should ensure that the institution and the sponsor comply with all relevant regulatory requirements, including those related to human subjects, animal research, and environmental safety. The institution should also ensure that the sponsor is aware of and complies with all applicable laws and regulations. Maintain flexibility and adaptability. The contract should be flexible enough to accommodate any changes or modifications that may arise during the project. This can be achieved by including provisions for amendments, terminations, and dispute resolution mechanisms. Enhance collaboration through joint governance. To foster a collaborative relationship between the institution and the sponsor, a joint governance structure should be established. This can include regular meetings, joint project management, and collaborative decision-making processes. Develop a dispute resolution mechanism. A dispute resolution mechanism should be established to address any conflicts or disputes that may arise during the project. This can include arbitration, mediation, or other alternative dispute resolution methods. Ensure transparency and accountability. The contract should ensure transparency and accountability throughout the project. This can be achieved by implementing a robust monitoring and evaluation framework that tracks progress, identifies risks, and addresses any issues that may arise. By incorporating these essential elements, the institution can ensure that the research contract negotiation process is efficient, effective, and collaborative, ultimately leading to mutually beneficial agreements that foster operational excellence.